What's up, y'all? This is Big Pat the Fit MD, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna do hanging leg raises. This is the best ab workout in my opinion because it works all the muscles in your abs at the same time. In a dead hang, all the muscle fibers in your abs are completely stretched. So when you come all the way up, you get a maximum contraction at the top. So this makes it a very effective ab workout, but also a very hard one. At first, I couldn't do this exercise. So what I started off with was getting in a dead hang position and just try to get my knees all the way up to my chest without swinging. You don't want to use momentum, you're just trying to get your knees to your chest. Swinging makes this exercise completely ineffective, so do not swing. Always concentrate on just getting your knees to your chest. The downside to this exercise with the knees only coming up to your chest is that you're not really working your transverse abdominis and your internal obliques, so you're really gonna have to swing your knees left to right like I'm doing right now to get those muscles to work. All right, but when you're lifting your leg all the way up to the bar, you don't have to swing your legs to the left and to the right. When you're comfortable with bringing your knees to your chest, an intermediate way to do this exercise properly is to keep your legs straight out in front of you and just swing it up to your waist level. This is an intermediate way to do it. When you could do about 10 to 20 of these, then try to start lifting your leg all the way to the bar. Again, try to resist your urge to swing. When you start getting tired, you're gonna start swinging more. That just means to rest in between sets and then try it again. All right. But again, swinging makes this exercise completely ineffective. So just try to minimize that. When you get really good at the hanging leg raise, you can try to touch your leg to each side of the bar like I'm doing right now. This is really, really hard. But as you get better and better at doing this exercise, you're gonna have to start challenging yourself to do things, make things harder. And that's part of the game, is just keep challenging your muscles to work hard. When your exercises feel easy, that means that you're not really doing anything, so you're gonna have to vary things up and switch things up. All right. So if you like the video, don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.